Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Baingan Bharta roasted eggplant curry using air fryer. So let's begin. Here I have one giant eggplant already washed. Remove the stem and cut into slices. Drizzle your choice of cooking oil. Sprinkle salt as per your taste. Arrange seasoned eggplant slices into the air fryer pan. Place the pan inside the air fryer. Set air fryer for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast eggplant till brown and the skin is wrinkly. Let eggplant slices cool slightly and you can remove the skin by using the spoon, or you can just simply remove the skin by peeling it off if the eggplant is roasted well. Add slices into the blender cup. I prefer to add yogurt, but it is totally optional. Add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt and water as needed to blend eggplant very well to a thick paste kind. Cut onion and tomato and keep aside. Heat up about a tablespoon of oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, jeera, and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. Add turmeric powder, haldi. Add onion, salt to taste. Saute onion for few minutes. Add ginger and garlic paste, adrak and lasan, red chili powder, lal mirch, ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder. Fry everything together for about 2 minutes. And ready to add tomato. Cook tomato until soft and mushy. Cover to cook it faster. When the tomato is cooked well, add prepared roasted eggplant paste. Add Baingan Bharta garam masala. Add water if needed and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Baingan Bharta is ready to serve. Garnish Baingan Bharta with hara dhania, coriander leaves. Serve Baingan Bharta with so many condiments like onion, pickle, chutney, lime, butter, chas, papad, and of course, Baingan Bharta is incomplete without bajra rotla, which I prepare in Rotimatic. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Quick recipe into the air fryer. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. And you can also download Bhavna's Kitchen app on your Roku device, your iPhone, your Android phone, and don't forget to follow me on social pages like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere, so stay in touch. Thank you for watching and see you soon.